Hello guys, welcome to Into Tech. Today we will show you how to generate OTA update for Xiaomi Mi A1 and get the latest update of Oreo. So for this you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to open the settings, and from settings you have to go to apps. Here you can see your installed apps. Click on the right three dots and click on show, and you have to scroll down and go to the Google Service Framework and click on it, and you have to go to storage and then to clear the data. Yes, you have to clear the data, and you have to go back again and you have to disable this. After disabling this, you have to force stop this app. Again you have to enable this app and go back and go to about phone. Here you have to go to system update and check for an update. It's scanning. Yes. Okay. Let's see what's it. Thank you for watching, and you can hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and also yes, December with Oreo Android O. This is the Android O update. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.